This is a yacht model. The shape is complex, so you need to use surfacing tools to model it. Let me switch to this part file. Okay, under surfaces, you need to know extruded surface, revolved surface, swept surface, lofted surface, boundary surface, view surface, planar surface, offset surface, rule surface, extend surface, and is currently unavailable. Trim surface, knit surface, and thicken command. You need to know those tools to complete the yacht model. The components shown, let me play back to the yacht. The components shown are not for production, but rather for design ideas. The assembly is meant for learning the technique to model. The components are assembled, not fully defined. Look at the minor sign here of some components. So the first component, or is fixed. You can see the letter F. You click the component hole 4, the hole is highlighted in blue. So this yacht model has 8 components. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All not fully defined. I click superstructure. This is a superstructure. The front seat here, propeller. You can see the propeller here. So all together there are 3 propeller. You can see that I got propeller 2, propeller 3. Then I have the middle seat. It's a middle seat and the rear seat. For those who are watching the video, I sincerely hope you could subscribe to my channel. If you follow my videos from beginning to now, you would have a good grasp of modeling techniques to follow and complete the assembly. Leave me a comment with email address, I will forward the file to you upon your subscription. You can use the techniques that I demonstrate to you today to learn to model from the part file. When you receive the file, just follow the method which I explained in this video to model. Here is an example of how to model the railing and the window of the yacht. You can see the railing here and the window. So let me switch on to the part file. So I'm going to show you how to model this. I will demonstrate the projected curve command again. Sketch on sketch and sketch on face. The railing is using projected curves, sketch on sketch projection type. Same as the railing you saw on the hull. The sweep is using projected curve, sketch on face, projection type. Same as the window on the hull. The cut extrude is using 3D sketch. Then you use convert entity to get the profile. Let me walk you how to create the model. So first I drag the rollback bar to the first feature. So the first feature I have a sketch. You can see that the sketch is is drawn on the top plane. So let me edit the sketch. Click normal 2. So this is a spline whereby there are 4 points. So to fully define the spline, you need to give dimension to all the points. So you pause the video and create the sketch. After that, you use surface extrude. I edit feature. So I extrude 100 mm. Next, I create a plane. So if I click on the plane, you know that the plane is, first preference is front plane, and the distance, just any distance. Over here I say 50. So any distance will do, so long that the plane is away from this surface. Next, I'm going to create a curve. So this is a curve. You can see the curve. This curve is on the surface model. So I click sketch tool. You can see that sketch tool is drawn on plane 1. So let me edit the sketch. Normal 2. So can you pause the video and you complete this simple sketch. Next, we will use a projector curve. So we have to use sketch on sketch. So I use sketch 2 and sketch 1. You can see that the curve is in yellow created. So next, you use projector curve, project curve, sketch on sketch, and then you select the two sketch. You can see that this is a curve created. Next, I want to thicken. Thicken is to create a solid. So I edit feature. You can see that now I use thicken both sides, 10 mm. Why I thicken both sides? So that the railing is in the middle. Next, I create a sweep. So I edit feature. You can see that I use circular profile, so 5 mm. So I don't have to create a sketch. Next, I create curve 2. So can you see the curve 2? The curve 2 is the slot on the surface here. So again, this sketch is on plane 1. Let me edit the sketch. Normal 2. So can you draw a slot? Pause the video, draw the slot. Any dimension will do. Okay. Then again, you use projector. This time you say sketch on face. So you need to select this sketch that you drawn, and of course this surface that you want it to project on. After that, I create a sweep, similarly to sweep 1. So to create a slot here, I use 3D sketch. How to get 3D sketch? You go to the sketch tool, you click the arrow here, you can see 3D sketch. So now I edit the sketch. So I'm using convert entity. So using this tool, you just select the edge that you want to duplicate. So after that, I cut extrude. Then I create a fillet. I already demo to you how to create the railing and window on the hall. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.